How to replace the cleaning roll assembly on the HP JetFusion 5200, 5600, and 4200 3D printers. Before starting the replacement process, remove the cleaning roll. To do so, go to the printer's front panel, tap Maintenance, then Print Head Cleaning Roll, and Replace. Tap Start and follow the front panel instructions. Remember that a video showing how to replace the cleaning roll is available at Knowledge Zone. For now, we will only remove the cleaning roll, so do not insert a new cleaning roll until the whole assembly has been replaced. Then, remember that for any repair work, you will need to turn off the printer from the front panel, turn off the main switch, and, if a job has just been printed, wait about 20 minutes for the printer to cool down. Remove the 6 screws as shown, and take off the back right cover. Remove the 2 screws from rear bottom part of the print head cleaning roll assembly. Disconnect the 4 motor cables. Disconnect the 4 motor encoder cables. Disconnect the silicone tube. Remove the 4 screws shown and take off the back right service station cover. Remove the 5 screws as shown and remove the right service station cover. Remove the 3 screws that hold the print head cleaning roll back cover. Pull the print head cleaning roll back cover upwards and then towards you. Remove the 2 screws and take off the back service station cover. Remove the 2 screws that hold the rear top of the print head cleaning roll assembly. Open the agent door and the print head cleaning roll door. Open the internal print head cleaning roll door. Remove the upper screw from the front of the print head cleaning roll assembly. Then, do the same for the 2 lower screws. Remove the adjustment shims. Take note of the number of shims you take out, as the same number needs to be reinstalled when reassembling. Remove the 2 screws as shown to detach the print head cleaning roll front cover. Remove the print head cleaning roll assembly by pulling it out of the printer. Take care as it is heavy, and 2 people will be needed. Insert the new print head cleaning roll assembly. Reinstall the print head cleaning roll front cover with its 2 screws. Reassemble with the same number of shims as initially removed. Then, follow the remaining steps in reverse order. Once the assembly has been replaced, insert a new cleaning roll. Remember that a video showing how to replace the cleaning roll is available at Knowledge Zone. Finally, go to the printer's front panel, click Settings, Utilities, System Tools, Calibrations, and carry out the rubber blade height adjustment. Close the top cover and rearm the printer if necessary. Tap OK to start the adjustment process. The printer prints a pattern on the cleaning roll. This pattern is coarse, but it gives a rough idea of the rubber blade height. When prompted, open the cover to evaluate the pattern. Look at the lines at the right side of the pattern and, from right to left, count the number of complete lines, which may range from 0 to 9. In this example, there are 4. Note that a line is complete if it extends across the width of the roll. Such a line should be counted even if it contains short breaks, as seen in the example. Use the up and down keys on the front panel to enter the number of complete lines, and then tap OK to continue. The printer prints a second pattern on the cleaning roll. This pattern is finer, designed to fine-tune the adjustment. When prompted, open the cover to evaluate the pattern. Once again, look at the lines at the right side of the pattern and, from right to left, count the number of complete lines, which may range from 0 to 7. In this example, there are 6. It is important to note that if you see no complete lines in this fine-tuning adjustment, and you have to enter the number 0, the adjustment will fail. In this case, please contact your support representative. Use the up and down keys on the front panel to enter the number of complete lines, and then tap OK to continue. On reaching the final screen, tap OK to complete the adjustment procedure.